Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to Marital Workshop with your girl, Blessing. Here on this platform, I'll be sharing with you so many things about marriage. I've been married for 5 years. I know. There's a lot of, ask me, 5 years? Yes. Within this period of 5 years, I've learned different things. I've had a lot of challenges, which I know would help someone if I share. So on this platform, I'll be sharing with you how to overcome certain challenges in marriage. Okay, the ones I've overcome, and this one is going through that same challenge now. So on this platform, I'll share with you how you can really overcome those challenges. I know someone right there is saying, 5 years of marriage. And you want to share? Of course. Let me tell you something. There are people 20 years in marriage, 15 years in marriage, they're still fighting. Okay? It's not about the years, it's about the experience. So if you've been married for 15 years and you're still fighting, every little thing, you argue with your husband, you fight, you hold your husband's clothes, and all of that. So it's not about the years, it's about the experience. The experience I've gathered for these few years, this few 5 years, it's worth sharing with someone. It's worth sharing with you. I know you would learn lots of things from this experience. I tell you, you will learn a lot from this. Okay, I'm new on YouTube, and please, if you have any idea, if you have anything that can boost this, that can boost the view, that can boost this channel, I'm open to any idea. Just put a comment, just comment on the comment button below and let me know. Please, YouTube community, just help me. I want my videos to be translated in different languages, in French, in Spanish, so other part of the countries can actually understand what I'm saying. Please, I beg you. With me by your side, your marriage is a success, okay? Alright, so just up your marriage with Blessing. Now, who is this my channel meant for? You're getting married? Preparing to get married. You're single? This channel is for you. Preparing to get married? This channel is for you. If your marriage is boring, dull, okay, and you need to juice it up, this channel is for you. If you're tired of your husband, you're tired of your marriage, maybe your husband is not someone you're really proud of, okay, this channel is for you. How to be proud of your husband, how to make your husband do what you want without manipulating him, okay, this channel is for you. If you're experiencing marital violence, this channel is for you, okay. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with someone, share with people who need this. Someone might be in need of this. Share and please comment and like. Okay? Okay, please share the video, comment. Alright, whatever you think, whatever you want to ask me, whatever the problem is, whatever the challenges you're facing, just click on the comment button, and now you can also send me an SMS on the number displaying on the screen, okay, and I bet you I'm going to reply immediately I get your text. Everything about like the experiences I've had over the years, over the 5 years in marriage, I'm going to share everything with you, how I used to be, how my marriage used to be dull, how my marriage used to be boring, and my marriage used to be tug of war, and over the years I've overcome all of that. Okay, I'm going to share everything with you, and I know it will be helpful. Thank you.
Juice up your marriage, a blessing.